Again, what is meant by power system? Actually, power system is a very big, vast concept in the electrical engineering. Okay, but irrespective of that, in short, I can say that power system is nothing but the generation, the transmission, the distribution, and utilization. So generation can be your hydro, can be your thermal, can be your diesel plant, etc., etc. Okay, with respect to that, we are going to transmit the amount of power. So transmission of power we are going to do by means of HVAC line, nothing but high voltage alternate current line or high voltage direct current line. Again, distribution is done by means of your substations. Okay, we can see in every locality, in every area, we are having a substation. Again, from the substation we are going to give the power to the end user, nothing but the customer, nothing but we are going to utilize the amount of power. So in short, we can say that whatever the amount of power we are generating, okay, it is at a range of 11 kV. Okay, and we are going to step up to a value of 440 kV. Okay, even we are having 765 also, but very rarely we will use. So transmission is done by means of HVAC line and HVDC line. Okay, as per the length, as I have told you, till 300 kilometers we can go with HVAC. About 300 kilometers we can go with HVDC, because in HVDC the losses are less. In HVAC the losses are high when compared to this. Again, distribution, it is done by means of substations, as I have told you. Okay, in every city, in every colony, in every area, we have a substation. Nothing but assembly of all your switchgear equipments is called as your substations. Okay, not only switchgear, your electrical equipments also. And whatever the amount of expenditure of power system in percentage means, for example, I am getting a monthly electricity bill, okay, of something like 1000 Indian rupee. So on what basis they are charging? Nothing but 400 rupees are with respect to your generation side, 200 rupees are with respect to the transmission side. Utilization and distribution is nothing but with respect to 400 side. Okay, nothing but 40% side. Okay, only a rough example I'm telling you. Nothing but based upon this, they are going to make a tariff. Okay, tariff means how much amount of slab rate they have to confirm with respect to the charges they are getting from the generating point, with respect to transmission point, with respect to utilization and distribution point. Okay, that is nothing but the concept of distribution. So here you can see, okay, whatever might be the generating plant, it can be hydro, it can be thermal. So we are generating only 11 kV only. After that, by means of transformers, by means of the rectifying stations, by means of inverting stations, we are stepping up the amount of power, we are changing up the amount of current from AC to DC, like 400 kV, 220 kV, 132 kV, 66 kV, 33, 22, 11 kV. Again, from 11 kV, we are getting single phase and three phase amount of supply. Okay, so these things we are getting with respect to the power systems only. Okay, so in short, I can say that power system is but a combination of generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization.